So let's do one more together. So say we do 5 multiplied by 21. Remember, we're trying to find different ways to represent 5 being distributed to 21 in its place value form. So it would be 5 times 30 and 5 times 1. The first step that we can do to represent this number would be to break 21 up into its expanded form. So if this helps you, you can copy this down in your notebook. First step is to expand. 2 is in our tens place, which means I have 2 tens, or 20, plus 1. Okay? Second step is to use parentheses. Those are really important. That's what keeps our problem neat. So I'm going to put parentheses around 20 plus 1. And then I'm going to bring down my operation, which in this case would be 5 multiplied by, in parentheses, 20 plus 1. Okay, so that's one way that I can represent this number. Another way would be if you just simply switched it and did the commutative property, because remember, that represents the same thing. So I could also write, another way would be 20 plus 1 multiplied by 5. I simply moved my 5 from this side to this side, and that still represents 5 times 21. Another way to represent this number is to break it down into its box method, right? Which would be 20 plus 1, and you put them into their simplest form. So I would be doing 5 times 20 to distribute, and I would distribute 5 times 1. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring them down to get 5 times 20 and 5 times 1. But remember, we have to add those parentheses with our operation sign. So this is another way to represent distributive property of 5 multiplied by 21. And there you have it, 3 different ways.